So today we're going to replace our cabin filter and air filter. So my unit is Suzuki Ertiga 2018, and to those of you who wants to know the part number, so we have here the cabin filter. So the brand is Fleet Max, and this is for the air filter. So this is the one for the engine side. So we'll start off with opening. So looks like there's a hologram. Okay. Okay, so this is the cabin filter. So what we're gonna do is, okay, so this is how you're going to insert it here under or behind the globe compartment. So what I'll do for now is write something on the side or in the front. I'll put in the mileage and the date on when I installed it, so I can monitor. Okay, I'll get back to you once I'm done. Okay, so there I was able to write it on the side part because I'm having difficulty writing in front of it. So it's just absorbing, not absorbing the ink properly, so I put it here. So the mileage 70,352, January 6, 2020. So this hasn't been replaced since I bought this back in November 2018. So what I'll do is remove the, well, you don't actually have to remove everything. You can do this. Hopefully I can do this by one hand. Let me. So what you're gonna have to do is, on this part, you just have to pull it down like that, and should be able to disengage the one that holds on both sides. So let's try it. My hand is a bit small, but let's see. Alright, luckily I was able to remove it. So remove it from the side, and this side you just have to slide it going to the that side. So that's how you remove it. Okay, just put it on the floor and we'll put it back later on. So this is the part where you have to remove the air filter. So there's a tab on this side and on this side. Yeah. So okay, then pull it out like so. Put it, somewhere, and so here's the air filter, the old air filter. I've actually removed it previously. I just blow a compressor because I don't have a replacement at that time yet. So just put it like that. Alright, so here's how the cabin filter looked like. I just don't remember when was the last time I blew air compressor. So in comparison with the new one, you can see how dirty the old cabin filter is. So does it say anything here? Nothing much. So it just says the airflow, right, and the direction up, side. So we're gonna do the same thing. Put it here like so. Okay, and there's like, I would say, a guide on the lower part, so that should help you install. Okay, doesn't look like it's aligned properly. Alright, that's it. I don't know if I was able to capture it properly when I installed it, but anyway. Okay, so this is how you install the glove compartment. You can see right here, and this one here. You just have to slide it on the right side. You know what, it's actually hard to do it with one hand, so I'm gonna pause it. I was able to install the glove compartment back box just like how I removed it earlier. So here's the old one. I'll just keep it for future reference. I'll put it in the plastic. Okay, well, it's gonna need two hands to keep it. So I hope you like this video, and those of you who don't know how to install or replace your cabin filter, hope my video helped you in replacing your cabin filter. And if you like this video, share it with others. Thank you and have a good day.